Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be making a water bottle holder, and to begin this water bottle holder we start off by making a magic circle, and then we are going to chain 3, and in that magic circle you're going to make 9 other double crochets. The first chain of 3 counts as a double crochet, so at the end you will have 10 double crochet stitches. After making the double crochet stitches, we are going to pull on our tail and close off our magic circle, and then we slip stitch on top of the chain. That's our first row. For the second row, we are going to start it off by chaining 3, and then we make 2 double crochet stitches in each of the chain spaces. That's one, and then the second one. Then we go to the next chain space and we make 2 double crochet stitches in the same space. We do that until we've come to the end of the row. Like we did before, when we reach the end of the row, we slip stitch at the top of our first chain, and then we chain 3. So in this row we are going to be making 2 double crochets in the first space, and then the next chain space we make 1 double crochet. Then we make 2 in the next chain space, and then we make 1. We go on like that, alternating. We say 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 in the same space, 1 double crochet in the next space, and we do that until we've closed off our circle like you see here. So we are going to slip stitch at the top of the chain 3, and then we are going to try our bottle to see whether the bottom fits. When you reach the desired width of your bottle holder, we chain 3 and make double crochet stitches, 1 double crochet stitches in each of the chain spaces that we have. This time we are not increasing, we are just making double crochet stitches all round. By the time you finish that row of double crochet stitches, your holder will look like this. Now we are going to chain 3, and in the same space of the chain we make a double crochet stitch, chain 1. We are going to skip 2 chains, and in the third one make 2 double crochet stitches. Chain 1, skip 2, in the third one make 2 double crochet stitches. We keep going like that until we've gone around the holder. And when we come to the end of the row, we slip stitch on our beginning chain. Now we are going to slip stitch until we get into the space When you reach the space, chain 3, make another double crochet stitch in the space, chain 1, go to the next space, make 2 double crochet stitches, chain 1, go to the next space, make 2 double crochet stitches, chain 1, and you keep going like that. That's all we are going to keep doing until our holder has reached the height that we want. Every time we reach to the end of the row, we slip stitch until the space and we begin the pattern again. After 3 rows of this pattern, this is how our holder will look like in the bottle, but we are going to continue until we've reached the height that we desire. When our holder reaches our desired height, we do a row of double crochet stitches in each of the chains. Our row of double crochet stitches is finished. We've slip stitched to tie it off, and now we are going to begin making the strap of this holder. So to make the strap, we are going to single crochet 5, chain 1, turn your work, single crochet 5 again in the spaces that I've created by the previous row. So we keep going back and forth, 5 single crochet, chain, turn, 5 single crochet, chain, turn, until the strap has reached to the desired height, and then we attach it on the other side. Thank you for crocheting with me. Until next time, God bless you.